Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you unique style of fenugreek leaves recipe with coconut and cooked dal. For making this recipe I have taken 1 chopped onion and a tablespoon crushed ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoon ground coconut, 4 tablespoon cooked dal. I have cooked red lentils and pigeon peas together. Turn on the heat, put a pot, add 4 tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add chopped onion. Fry the onion until it is golden color. After the onion is well fried, add crushed ginger and garlic. Stir well over low heat, then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt along with cooked red lentils and pigeon peas. Give a good mix, well combine the dal and cook until the dal is well fried. Keep the fried dal in one side, add ground coconut, and in the other side add the fenugreek leaves. Over medium heat, cook for 2 minutes, then well combine the fenugreek leaves with cooked dal and coconut. Give a good mix. Stir continuously for 2 minutes and cook until the water dry up. Now put a lid, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir well. Friends, if you make this recipe like my method, it will be more delicious and tasty, and kid will definitely love this recipe. Our nutritious fenugreek recipe is done. If you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.